vlog sucks.
Hey, I'm about to go to the store. You need anything?
Nah, I think I'm good. It's alright.
Alright.
Was that my... Ain't my car. What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're gonna talk... Yo, that sounds like my car, yo. What the hell? Hey, that is my car. Hey! Hey, where you going? Hey! Yo!
Let's do a first gear pull.
Yo, I hear my car. Yo, what's she doing with my car? Yo! What are you doing? Yo! This is what you do to my car? You just take the car for a joyride? Why is it smoking? It's not funny. Pull it in. Pull it in. What are you doing? You have fun? What'd you do?
I ain't do nothing.
What is stuff from the store? I thought you were going to the store. And why you took my car?
I don't know. I just wanted to drive. I felt like driving.
You felt like driving, all right.
Whew. Yeah. I ain't drive bad. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing.
You just launched a car. What do you mean you didn't do nothing? And why the car smoking?
Itself.
What do you mean the car did it by itself?
It just started doing it by itself.
Look at all the smoke. Oh my God. Yo! Oh no, I don't know how to do it. I can't, see I got the dance, I can't go down. Huh? What's up, y'all? So welcome to the outro of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Me and my mom decided to put this little skit thing together. She had some cool ideas, and we incorporated it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like on if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends, family, teachers,
Everybody.
that works too. Yeah, share it with everybody, you know what I'm saying? Cause why not? I might need a new clutch, but other than that, this was a pretty fun video. Talking about, I'm going to the store. You done stole my car. It be your own mom, dog. It be your own mom. No need to fear, track day is near. We're still planning on taking her to the track. I'm just waiting to get a retune on my car. I know the rev limiter sucks. Trust me, when I get these 1000cc injectors, it's gonna be a wrap. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Make some french fries, I'm hungry.
Oh, what?